Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Install vendor drivers and the Compute SDK so both cards are recognized. Once done, enable any BIOS options for multi-GPU or iGPU plus DGPU operation and confirm power cables and PCIe lanes are correct. Make sure to install monitoring utilities and command line tools. They show device ID and driver versions. Next, identify which GPU will handle display versus compute tasks, because partitioning responsibilities now avoids contention later during workloads. You now configure the software stack for dual GPU use. Set environment variables or runtime flags to target specific device ID, and enable multiprocess services like CUDA MPS or ROCm agents when running concurrent jobs. Make sure inter-GPU communication uses optimized libraries such as NCCL for collective ops. Also tune PCIe slot settings and power limits to prevent throttling, and pin threads or processes to GPUs to reduce context switch overhead. Verify behavior with small test kernels before scaling up. You finish by validating real workloads, run benchmarks, then observe throughput and utilization across both GPUs to confirm the split you planned actually improves performance. Make incremental tuning changes, adjust power limits and fan curves to balance thermals and clocks. If anything goes wrong, start with a focused troubleshooting step. Reseat the card, verify auxiliary power is connected, and confirm BIOS device enablement. If a device remains invisible, remove drivers with the and reinstall the latest vendor suite. That usually fixes driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.